Over 500 million people in North America drink unhealthy water and they don't even know it. Unfortunately, subpar water pitchers, they just don't do the job and they leave behind dangerous contaminants in their drinking water. Well, we found a machine that filters water and makes it unbelievably healthy too. Check out the Tyent ACE-13 Water Ionizer with Xtreme Molecular Hydrogen Boost. It's ready to deliver the healthiest alkaline water anywhere. 0.01 micron filters remove over 200 contaminants from tap water, including heavy metals, pharmaceuticals, and even lead. Tyent ACE-13 is the winner of the 2019 Water Ionizer of the Year award. This beautiful ionizer features a smartphone-inspired touchscreen with an exclusive quantity control button. A hands-free, motion-activated sensor lets you wave your hand to start and stop the flow of ionized water. Changing the ultrafilters is easy too because the panel opens in the front with a one-touch reset feature. So if you're looking for the healthiest water on the planet from the most advanced ionizer yet, then this is for you. Famous celebrities and athletes love Tyent too. Ionize your drinking water today. Go to TyentUSA.com/newswatch to save big on your very own ACE-13 Water Ionizer and healthify your life today with Tyent. Get your drinking water ionized today by visiting TyentUSA.com and purchasing the ACE-13 Water Ionizer.